Hello dear student, in this video we will discuss about the overview of respiration. So the living organisms require a continuous supply of energy for their living. Okay, the living organisms made up of living cell which obtain the energy by oxidizing the food molecules. Okay, the food molecules means glucose. In this case the food molecule is glucose. Glucose is the cellular fuel from which energy is released. Okay, and the respiration has two fundamental processes. First one is the external respiration. This is also called as breathing, and the internal respiration is the cellular respiration. Okay, the external respiration is the breathing, which is also known as the exchange of gases. Exchange of gases between the environment and the organism, the body of organism. Okay, where the oxygen is inhaled by the organism and carbon dioxide is exhaled. This is called inspiration and this is called expiration. Okay, this is the external respiration or breathing. And the second one is the internal respiration or cellular respiration. The internal respiration occurs in the inside the cell, inside all the tissue, all the living tissue of the plant and animal also. Now comes to the cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a process by which the organic food material undergo a series of oxidation reaction and energy are released in the form of what? ATP. ATP is the adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate, you know, ATP is the adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy currency of the cell, which is released during the cellular respiration. Okay, then the cellular respiration is a catabolic process, means this is the destructive process where the large macromolecules are undergo destruction and release energy. Okay, and it is a exergonic process also. Exergonic process means it releases energy to the surrounding. Okay, then on the basis of availability of oxygen, respiration is classified into two types. First one is the aerobic respiration and the second one is what? Anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occurs in presence of oxygen and anaerobic respiration occurs in absence of oxygen, where no oxygen is utilized. This is the aerobic respiration. It occurs in presence of oxygen. As we know, it occurs in the presence of oxygen, means aerobic respiration require oxygen. And in aerobic respiration, the respiratory substrate is completely oxidized. In aerobic respiration, in presence of oxygen, the respiration occurs and the respiratory substrate is completely oxidized into what? Carbon dioxide and H2O, water. Okay. In this aerobic respiration, large amount of energy, means 38 number of ATPs are released. Okay. Aerobic respiration involves three pathways. First one is the glycolysis, then Krebs cycle, then the electron transport system. This is also called the terminal oxidation. Okay. Now comes to the anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, incomplete oxidation of substrate occurs. It occurs in absence of oxygen. Okay, so that this is called anaerobic respiration because it occurs in absence of oxygen. Okay, it releases organic acids like lactic acid and alcohol also released, and only two molecules of ATP are produced in anaerobic respiration. Right, then this is the aerobic pathway.